What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DWAC company.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that potentially might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we hit the range of resistance, and I marked this range by connecting several major pivot points from the previous price action. And I've told you that we caught this movement to the upside with the potential profits of roughly 33%. And definitely this movement was predictable because we completed all three waves from this top to this bottom of the retracement. And it was the crucial range of support, and on top of that we completed the 5-wave structure inside the C wave. And all of these confluences showed us that potentially we might have a bounce, and we have this bounce. And at this very point I've told you that we should at least retest the lowest ranges of support, because with this movement to the downside we broke this previous swing low. And right here we had 5-wave structure that implies only one wave on a greater scale. And with this breakout below this range, we invalidated this movement to the upside as the motive wave, and most likely we should land at lower levels. And as you can see right here, this asset acts exactly as I predicted. We retest this range of support that I marked previously, bounced to the upside, then it retested again, as you can see this small movement to the upside, but eventually it broke it. And it fell to the levels of about 21, basically 22 to $21. And for now it hovers for quite some time in these ranges without any major movements, without any major increase in volume. So, and what was the reason of this price action? Let me show you the recent price action. Let me show you right here. We are on cnbc.com, and this article was published on September the 6th, and it's titled Trump linked SPAC to resume meeting Thursday as it seeks votes to delay merger with ex-president's firm. And let me quote you these key points. Shares of Digital World acquisition fell after the company ended its meeting and sought votes to delay a merger with Trump Media and Technology Group. DWAC has previously warned that a failure to extend the deal with the Truth Social owner could result in liquidation of the SPAC. The stock is significantly off its highs as the companies face federal investigations into possible securities violations and as Trump faces his own probes. Digital World also submitted a securities filing Tuesday that highlighted one of Trump's recent truths on his Truth Social platform that cast more doubt on the SPAC deal. And definitely, this news cannot be the positive catalyst for DWAC, but it has some kind of relief, and let me show you this. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on September the 8th, and it's titled Trump's SPAC partner gains a 4-week reprieve after filing on a key vote. And let me quote you this. DWAC had previously said in securities filing that a failure on this vote would mean it would likely be forced to liquidate. Instead, late Thursday, the company announced a maneuver to gain a 4-week reprieve until October the 10th. We are working diligently to record all the votes that are continuing to come in from our stockholders, DWAC CEO Patrick Orlando told stockholders Thursday. And definitely this might be quite decent news, but in general, this asset doesn't have so many chances to see this approval. And let me show you why I think so. First of all, as you can see right here, institutionals holds only 3%, roughly 3% of value in DWAC. Other 97% owns by retailers. And let me show you that the share of institutional ownership consistently moving south, and this means we don't have a lot of support from institutional investors to see that they believe in this company. That's why it is a first red flag. Second one, let me show you right here that DWAC becomes again some kind of meme stock. We are on stocktweets.com, and right here on watcher section we don't have the DWAC corporation, and if you switch to most active tab folder, you can see DWAC on the 5th place. And this means DWAC has some support from retail investors. On top of that, let me show you another website, apewisdom.io, and right here you can see the DWAC company on the 7th place, and it gained about 7 rows during last 24 hours. And it has about 111 mentions, and it is an increase of 82%. Definitely, these numbers shows some of interest from the retail community, but I have to say that this interest cannot last for the long time. And definitely, let me show you the price action of this asset. Definitely, we cannot wait basically for 1 month until October the 10th. To collect all the votes that are necessary to approve this merger. And definitely it is not the case where you should invest in this asset, because for now it is a pure gambling. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that we had this range of support at roughly $22.3. And it was a short-term support, and it wasn't so strong, I have to say, but still we had first touch of this range right here on September the 1st, then we had a bounce, and on hourly time frame we bounced back from the 55 exponential moving average. And for now, this asset, I have to say, is more bearish in my opinion than bullish. That's why we have to be very cautious. And let me show you the previous price action. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, let me show you right here that we basically don't have any major pivot points on the very beginning of its price action in October 2021, and this means we don't have any supports below our current price point, but we have a lot of resistances above. And that's why we have to be very cautious, and I highly recommend you wait until basically October the 10th, until we'll see some clarifications in the upcoming actions, because for now we cannot bet our money on the company that doesn't have the certainty in its future. That's why, in my opinion, you should avoid DWAC Corporation at least for 1 month until October the 10th. Then probably I will do another update if we will have some major news that might drive the price of this company. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.